Welcome to the last session, that is a robotic learning. So here we have a project self-driven cars. So we will first select the stage from here. So we will set this track as a stage and we will choose sprite. There will be a car. Okay, you select this car. So car is here. So let me copy the codes and I will paste here. So codes is copied there. So let's try to run the code. I will show the directions from a mobile. So okay, successfully. First of all, I have to show the go. Yeah, good. It's directing the go direction. So let's show another direction. Also home detected. I will show some other. I don't know what the error, but it's detecting the signs not accurately. Maybe it's only showing the home detection, but for the go it will show accurately. Yeah, go detected. So this was the activity self-driven car. So I will try to make car with the Arduino board next time, but this is for to complete our activity as assignments. So this was the last assignments was given by the STEMpedia team. So at the end of the assignments, again thanks to all the team members of STEMpedia, especially Ma'am Shruti and Sir Vivek. Thanks a lot. Stop the code.